Hey y'all. So my bundles have come in for my braids. Um so honestly, I wasn't sure what I was gonna get. The reviews are amazing. This is Lugo's hair. I keep hearing about it. I thought they were gonna have a Black Friday sale. That passed. Thought they were gonna have maybe a Cyber Monday sale. That passed. Now I was like, maybe holiday, a little 15%. It never happened. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna pay the 5, and I'm gonna get the hair. So it definitely is a little costly, but the good thing I have heard about this hair is that you can reuse it. So it's just like regular bundles, I guess. And so I got 22 inches. This is burgundy. Y'all know where my hair red. And this is what got me the instructions. This right here, this customer service. This is the kind of shit that I need from every hair company. It literally gives you the aftercare and what products to use. When we got to Ghana, we were supposed to get our hair done in Cape Coast, but that ended up being a complete shit show. Watch my YouTube video. Very long story. So when we went back to Accra, we went to this spot called Hair Rack. And y'all, I wish we would have went there from the beginning. Even though they had 1 million people and I had no appointment, they were still able to see me. Now, not every hair braiding spot in Accra do you need an appointment, but sometimes if you just show up and you're not first thing, they won't see you. So here they were able to see me. They washed my hair, even got some food from a local Italian spot. Bad lot, okay? They even had a Wi-Fi, which is uncommon in some spots. Y'all, and once they got started on my hair, it literally took them 6 hours. They started with 2 people, ended with 3, and y'all, like, they just did the damn thing. And they used 3 bundles. You don't have to use 3 bundles, even though I had 22 inches. I only really needed 2. But honestly, look how full and amazing it looks with the 3 bundles. Like, I was not disappointed. And it cost $50. $50 with this hair that I can use endlessly over and over again. That's a freaking steal. And once it was wet, y'all, look at my hair, baby.
Chocolate and caramel, ooh-wee. The sun kissed you and said, ooh-wee. Even the morning said, ooh-wee. I dream